This video is intended to help you get started on the GeoGebra Investigation Linear Equations assignment. To access it, you need to go to goformative.com, then click on GeoGebra Investigation Linear Equations. Once there, you'll see the GeoGebra tool, and then below that, when you scroll down, you'll see the actual assignment. What it is asking you to do is it's asking you to take 2 points, like 0, 5 and 4, 1, and put them on the GeoGebra tool. From those 2 points, you should be able to identify the slope of the line, where it crosses the y-axis, and the equation of the line. So the first points that we're going to use are 0, 5 and 4, 1. You may notice on this GeoGebra tool that there are 2 different color points. The blue point is always going to be on the y-axis. You cannot move it anywhere off of the y-axis. That means that the point 0, something is always going to go for the blue point. The other point will be for the black point, and we can drag that wherever we need to on the coordinate plane. If you happen to need a number on the axis that is bigger than what's seen, you can zoom in or zoom out by pinching either on the screen or on your mouse. Either way will get you to zoom in or zoom out on the screen. So we need to plot 0, 5 and 4, 1. Now we need to identify the slope. You may recall from Algebra 1a that the slope is the rise over the run, and we can count our slope by taking and moving from the left point to the right point. So rise means that I have to count how much it goes up or down to get to the right point. So starting here, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I need to move right. That's the run. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have -4 over 4, because rise over run. Now we know that we can reduce -4 over 4. I can reduce that down to just -1 over 1. So that's what we're going to put in for our slope of the line. -1 over 1. Next, we're going to identify where the line crosses the y-axis. That happens at this point, the blue dot, which is at 0, 5. Remember that when you enter in points, you always need to put parentheses around them. So parentheses, 0, and a comma in between the coordinates. No need to use the space bar. Finally, it's asking us for the equation of the line, and that is located on the tool in the upper left-hand corner. So y equals -1x plus 5. Y equals -1x plus 5. The goal is for you to be able to get to a point where you can just look at the equation that they give you in the upper left-hand corner, and from that equation, you should be able to identify the slope and the y-axis. So you're looking for a pattern. Take a look and we'll do one more. I'm going to skip down and do number 7. Remember that 0, something indicates that it's going to be the blue dot. So we have 0, 4, and 5, 1. 0, 4, 5, 1, and I can count my slope from the left-hand point. Down 1, 2, 3, so -3, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -3 over 5 is my slope. And then our point where it crosses the y-axis is right here, 0, 4, parenthesis, 0, comma, 4, close parenthesis. And finally, the equation of the line. It's in the upper left-hand corner. Y equals -3 over 5x plus 4. Notice when I start typing here, I'm still in that denominator. So to get out of your denominator, you need to press the right arrow button. Once you have completed all of these, and again, once you've figured out the pattern, it goes a lot faster. Once you've completed all of the problems, you are going to explain what the pattern is. How would you explain to somebody how to take the equation and identify the slope and the y-intercept?